In this video we're going to use this tool to look at sequencing, or what happens when you have a number and you want to just take 1 away or add 1 or take 10 away. So we're looking at what happens as we go forwards and backwards with particular numbers. So we'll start with the easy one. If we have 10 and we want to take 1 away or find out what 1 less than 10 is, we break it up, or we bust our 10 and take 1 off to leave 9. And just put that back. Now let's look at 100. If we have 100 and we want to find out what 10 less is, we just break the rods up and we take 10 off the 100, and we know that's 9 tens left. Let's put it back. If we want to go 10 back from several hundred, for example 400, I'm just going to take 10 off there and show you that we only need to bust or break one of these hundreds. We can leave the other 3 alone. So we're going to ignore 300 and we're going to bust a 10 off one of the hundreds. So 100 take away 10 is 90, and that's where we get 390. Let's put it back. Different number this time, 600. 1 less than 600. Now, we looked at 10 less than hundreds, but now we're going to look at 1 less than hundreds. We're going to leave 5 of them alone. We're going to leave 9 tens of that 6th hundred alone, and we're going to bust out a 1. So we've got 590 and 9 left, 599. Let's put it back. If we had some bigger numbers over here and we wanted to take 1 back, this tens of thousands isn't affected. We don't need to bust it up because we can take the 1 off the smaller part of the number, off the 600. So we don't do anything with this. We just roll back to 599 down here, and we just ignore this bigger part of the number because we can bust off 1 off the 600. Similarly, if we had big value there, this is the part of the number that changes. Now we can take 100 off 1000. So if I reduce that by 100, we've got to think that 1000 is how many hundreds? That's right, it's 10. So I'll leave 9 of them alone. I'll take 100 off. Let's put the 1000 back. If I want to find what 10 less than 1000 is, I'll leave 9 of the hundreds alone and take 10 off the other 100. So I've got 90 left. Rather than painfully go through all this, I'm going to leave this tool for you to play with and some exercises for you to figure out what happens to the numbers when you roll up and back by tens or ones, or different examples. So have fun with